Because it's longer than my hair. I think I need to cut it off. But the radio is not on my side. Shh! I can't focus. Annoying! As you all know, the normal mowing machine that is used by gardeners or landscapers is very inconvenient. Why? Because it needs fuel before it is used. Unlike our product! Ta-da!
The ACE product proposes you an initiative to cut a grass surface to an even height with a remote control. Maintaining grass lawns increases greenhouse gases, pollutes ecosystems, wastes water, and diminishes biodiversity. Hence, ACE will present the product that will solve the problematic trouble that will reduce the workload of gardeners and landscapers by automating the grass cutting process. In addition, it is environmentally friendly as it reduces pollution and uses renewable energy sources such as solar power.
It is also energy efficient as it uses solar panels to power the system and rechargeable batteries to store solar energy. It ensures a neat pattern of cut by using remote controller to avoid obstacles and maintain a consistent cutting pattern. Not just that, our product is in the shape of car to make it unique than the other product. Furthermore, this product innovation is extremely convenient because ACE can be easily bring anywhere.
In general, ACE equipment has several benefits including time savings, accuracy, adaptability, efficiency, and safety. They are a crucial tool for caring for lawns and other green areas. They make it easy for you to keep a healthy, well-kept lawn. All in all, after making comparison with the other products in the markets, we can conclude here that ACE is an option for everyone that want their landscape look attractive and visually appealing one, because your landscaping is often the first thing customers see from your business.
Selamat Syarif. Saya adalah seorang pengguna jenama ACE. Memang produk ni adalah memang terbaik. Saya selama ni, sebelum ni saya pakai jenama mesin sandang ataupun mesin tolak perlu berpanas. Jimat ke tenaga saya. Okey, itu sajalah ulasan saya. Sekian, terima kasih.